turtle on the track. In a quiet village, by a sleepy railway track, lived a turtle named Tippy. Every morning, he'd cross the track to reach the cool, sparkling river. One day, while crossing, Tippy heard something strange, a loud train whistle. But instead of panicking, Tippy noticed something, a lost puppy stuck in the middle of the track, frozen in fear. People shouted from far away, "Save the pup!" But no one could reach in time. Tippy didn't run away. He tucked in his legs, pushed his shell forward slowly but surely, step by step, and stood in front of the puppy. Just when the train came close, the driver had seen Tippy's shiny shell and hit the brakes. People ran in, cheering. The puppy was safe. And the brave turtle? He blinked slowly, gave a little smile, and continued on to his river like it was just another Tuesday. Moral of the story: helping others doesn't slow you down. It helps everyone move forward. Please like, share, and subscribe Chocobanana. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.